Hello guys, I welcome you all in my channel. So today we are going to do a problem. So let's have a look on the problem statement. Okay, that what is the problem saying here? Okay, so here we need to sort an array according to the count of set bits. Okay, so here we are given with an array of positive integer, and we need to sort the array in decreasing order. Okay, means the number which have the higher number of bits. uh, by the bits I mean to say the number we if whatever the number we will convert, when we will convert into the bits, the number of one in that. Okay, so here we are given with the statement, and we need to sort the array in decreasing order of count of set bits in binary representation of array elements. Okay, so as we can see here we are given with some of the test cases. So here we can see that we are given with this array. Okay, the part that is highlighted, we are given with that array, and the output we got here is 15 7 5 3 9 6 2 4 32. Okay, so here we can see, as we can see that as we convert 15 into binary numbers, so we get 1111. Here we can see that the count of 1 in its binary conversion is more than all the other numbers. Okay, so that's why it is on the top. Okay, so we have to do the sorting on the basis of it. For example, but what we will do if the number of count of 1 is same in two numbers, so we will do nothing in this case, just leave it as it is. Okay, we don't need to do anything in that case. Okay, so here we came to know about two conditions. Okay, first condition is that we have to sort it according to the count of 1 in its binary conversion, and the second one is that if we suppose we get two numbers with the same number of ones in it. Okay, so we will leave it as it is, we don't need to do anything. Okay, uh, so let's go to the problem solution. Okay, so here I have already written the solution. Okay, so we will go through it. Okay, so let's look at the solution. So here we can see that first of all, I created a function that converts number the the number of the array into binary form. Okay, means 1010 form. Okay, so here is the code for it. Okay, so you can see it, and at last, uh, what I'm doing in this function, I first I will convert it into the binary form, then I am counting the number of ones in its binary form. Okay, and I'm returning its count. Okay, means the number of one in in its binary conversion, because we have to sort it on the basis of number of ones in its binary conversion. Okay, so uh, so it is just returning the number of ones in its binary conversion, this function binary. Okay, and the second function that I made here. Okay, in check. Okay, so what is my approach in this case? I created a map. Okay, I declared a map here because I want to access the element according to the index number. So I need to store it somewhere, because map has a property that if we uh, so if I want to access any element with the index, I can use it. Okay, so and we are I am using, okay, a vector here. in which I am using a pair inside the vector. Okay, uh, I am using the pair to store the element, okay, and its index number. Okay, so what I'm doing in this case, so what will I do? Okay, first I will store the index uh, according to first I will store the element according to the index in the map. Okay, and then I am using a function binary, okay, to get its binary conversion, okay, 1010 form, and at last I will push the both into a pair inside a vector, okay, with the number of ones, okay, because the binary function is returning the count of ones in its binary conversion. Okay, so it is just returning the number of ones and its index number. I am storing the index number so that at last when we want to access the number, okay, so because I have already stored the number in the map, okay, and in map we can access it back only by its index number. That's why I am using its index number. Okay, we cannot use the count to access the number. Okay, whatever we were given already in the array. Okay, so after doing it, okay, then what we will do here, okay, so now it's the time to swap. Okay, so how we are going to swap here? Okay, we are swapping the number here by comparing the first, okay, first element of the pair that is inside the vector above. Okay, first element means this x means the count of the ones in the number. Okay, so we are sorting it according to that. So here I created three conditions. First condition, if the first element is less than the first element of the other number, then we will simply swap it. And in the second condition, what we are doing, okay, if suppose, and the second condition is that, okay, so let me repeat it again. In the first condition, what I am doing, okay, if the first element of the vector, okay, vector array is less than the first element to which we are comparing the ith element, okay, of the vector array. If it is less than that number, okay, then we will simply swap it. In the second condition, what I am doing, suppose we have two numbers in the vector array, and the count of bits in both the number, okay, is same. So what we will do in that case, okay, because so we will check its index then. Okay, we will check its index. Okay, if the index of the second of the jth element of vector array is less than the ith element of vector array. Okay, I'm talking about the index here because in the second element of the pair, okay, I'm storing the index. Okay, so we will compare its index. If it is less than the ith element, okay, we will simply swap it. And in the third condition, we will just continue it. Okay, we don't need to do anything. We don't need to do any swapping. Okay, and here the function ends. And so and at last, let's use the math. Okay, to give the output. Okay, because we want to access the element from its index. Okay, so I already stored the value from its index in the map that I declared before. Okay, So here we can see that okay, I am accessing it through the index x. Okay, and then I am storing it into x, and then I am printing it. Okay, so here it is our solution. So let's run our code. Okay, let's run it. Suppose okay, let's see okay, let's take some test cases from the problem statement. Okay, from here, let's take some test cases. For example, I just want to test this one. Okay, 5, 2, 3, 9, 4, 6, 7, 15, and 32. Okay, okay, so let's test it. Let's test the given input. Okay, that we are given in the problem statement. Let's see what will be the solution. Okay, just build a. So it's taking a little bit time. So you can see that the output is same as we are given in the solution. Okay, so let me bring you to the solution. Okay, let me bring you to the solution here. Okay, then so you can see, let me minimize it. Let me decrease its width so it can be clearly visible to you. So we now you can compare the solution. It's 15, 15, 7, 5, 3, 9, 6, 2, 4, and 32. So it is correct according to our output that is given to us. Okay, so that's it. Hope if you like our video, okay, press the subscribe button, and thank you for it. Thank you for watching my video.